Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can use your Google Cloud storage. And the first thing is actually going to be to create a storage unit, all right? So what we're going to do is instead of Google Cloud, we're going to go to the search menu, which should be here, and we're going to search for storage. We are going to use this search function a lot of times through these tutorials. Okay, so after we are done here, what we need to go is to cloud storage, and you need to create a new bucket, right? As you can see here, we have a blue button in here which says create bucket. So let's press on that. Now we need to give a name to our bucket, as I'm doing here, something pretty random. And I like to keep most options by default, except for this one that says choose where to store your data, because the cost of this is going to be affected by this option by a lot, okay? So as you can see here, we have the cost depending on where we want to store our data. We have multi-region or single region, basically. And what I'm going to do in this case, in order to minimize cost, is I'm just going to choose region, okay, as you can see here. We can also do dual region if that's what you want. Okay, and just choose your, preferred region, which in my case is going to be US East. And after that's done, I believe that we can already, save this and go to continue, continue, and so on, so on, so on. And like I said before, just keep everything by default and click on confirm after. And now our package should be ready and we can start to upload any files we want by just clicking in here in this upload button. And that's pretty much it. Thank you very much.